Okay, first video. We are going to install the center stand for the Kawasaki Versys X, and I've got all the parts and tools laid out here. I'll go through those real quick. We've got the center stand and the items that it comes with for the hardware, a couple bolts and nuts, rubber bushing, a couple metal bushings, and the spring. Some silicone lubricant to help get this on. Some grease for the bushings, 17mm socket, 17mm wrench, torque wrench, rubber glove, and some paper towels. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. It should take maybe 10 minutes. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is put some grease on these bolts and bushings so we can put those in onto the bike. So I've got some grease. What I'm going to do is put it on the bolt here. Just a good amount of it. And squeeze that in there. Get that nice and greased up in there. A bit more. Put some on the outside. Oops. And good to go. Let's do the next one. Maybe just a tad more on this one. These are going to fit in onto the bike like so. This one in there like so. Clean off those threads just a tiny bit. So I've got those prepped. Okay, let's go under the bike. Okay, we are under the bike, and maybe it's a little tough to see. First thing we're going to do is push in this little bushing, and that goes... Oh, there's already one installed on the bike. Okay, never mind. Oh, I'm sorry, the rubber stopper. But it looks like there's one already on the bike. Okay, so we're going to put this in right there. Bolt goes in like this, with the bushing flange on this end. Comes in from the back. And there's one in. You know, I'm gonna put some grease up on that just to be sure too. Just get some grease on there. Both sides. And the other side. Grease this up a bit. Just put a little grease inside there. Okay, finally, let's get this up in there. Set that there. off that excess. Other side in. Boom, boom, boom. Move that out of the way. Clean off these threads. So I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on there. Okay, one more little wipe. A dab of the blue Loctite. These nuts have already a safety kind of washer thing in it, so it won't back off, but I'm putting this on just in case. My mistake. We need a 14 mil on the inside, 17 on the out. I will torque those up in just a minute. The instructions say, I believe, 39 foot-pounds. Okay, let me grab a torque wrench. Alright, let's torque this down. There we go. This is one side. And that's my neighbors. What? And there we go. Get that out of there. Now comes the fun part, the spring. On this little spring area, just a tiny bit. A little bit on the other end where it connects. Wipe off any excess. Instructions say to put the spring on in this orientation, and then we're gonna have to get, I don't have a spring puller, which is advisable for this, but I'm gonna just try and get on there with a screwdriver. So let me go grab a screwdriver and see if we can pull that on. Okay, plan A did not work with the screwdriver and seemed a bit more dangerous than I'd like. So, went and got a ratcheting strap, some paracord, and we're gonna finagle this spring on. So, let me just get a piece of this out here. Cut that. All right. We'll just wrap this through the sprocket, back around. All right, let's see if this will work. A little bit more, come on now. Wait, a couple more tugs. Squeeze that over. There we go. Make sure it's on there. Good to go. There we go. Like that. Alright. Maybe not the best recommended way to do it, but it got it done. Someone else probably has a better video on how to do that correctly, but it's on there. Seems to work. We'll check it out. I'm gonna get this strap off.